All right, it's summertime. You're dying of the heat. It's really hot out. It's humid. Your Trane XR air conditioner quit. We're similar. And you've come out here and you find that the fan was running or not. And when the thing tried to start, you heard a little buzz, like a little and then it just didn't go. That's probably your starting capacitor for the motor, for the compressor in this thing. And so this is a 5-minute video on how to fix it. First of all, you want to have a starter capacitor in hand. These are pretty much for sale on eBay, and you can see it's a 45 microfarad capacitor there. It's got 2 connections, one for the fan and one for the compressor. That's the compressor, that's common, that's the fan. But in my case, this thing only has 2 connections. So this video is a bit pre-scripted, but this is how to do this in like 5 minutes, okay? So you take 4 screws out here, 1 screw here, 1 bolts, 1, let's see, 2, 3, 4. Take these out. The cover comes off by slipping it down. So grab the bottom of it and simply pull it out a bit. Pull it down and it should come off. Now grab it in the bottom here, pull it down, wiggle it, and it comes off. Okay, here's what you want to do. This is your capacitor, okay? That's got to come out and get replaced. Not too hard to do. So there are 2 leads here, and make sure the power in this bloody thing is turned off. There's your power over there. Pull out any fuse in there, turn your power off. You'll get shocked. And turn your fuse, your breaker box off. That's what I've done before. Okay, so I'm powered down here. Wiggle this back and forth to remove it, the terminal. This one goes to the relay in here. You can see where it goes. Sometimes it falls off, so make sure it's on well. Anyway, don't disturb it, just remove it, take it off. And that's it. At least on this air conditioner, these run the compressor. I don't know where the fan one is, and I really don't care right now. So anyway, now that's a 5/16. So take that screw out. I put the cam down for a minute. Give me a second. Get this onto here because I don't have proper tools. And let's get the capacitor out. Just take it out. And once this loosens up, it may just drop onto the ground. Don't drop the screw. Just get it out. Okay, it's out. Bam. Okay, there it goes. Bam, onto the floor. Now, the new one. That's where that goes, on the ground. Here's the new one. In our case, the common wire, it probably doesn't matter if these are backwards or not, but the common wire and this one are the ones that matter. So simply put this in here like this, okay? Get the screw in there. Put one of these wires onto the C and put one onto compressor here, and you're set. If you have 3 wires, you got to figure out which one's the fan. So you got to watch when you take it apart, which one's the fan, which one's common, which one's the compressor, okay? And just get it in here. I only have 1 hand, so I can't finish this, but get it in here. Put the screw back in. Put the wires on, and you're done. Put the cover back on, okay? That's how you do this. It's not hard. Make sure the power's off. Don't get shocked. Bye.